Okay, it's time to go home from work, and I'm going to be riding at night, and we're going to be able to see how well the high beam works and how well you can ride in the darkness. There you go. It's 8 o'clock p.m. right now, and after a day at work, all you want to do is just go home and be with your family, correct? And that's exactly what we're going to be doing right now. All right, see the backlight. See the backlight of my e-bike. Shiny, huh? It is shiny. The backlight, red. How can a person say that they can't see me with this huge, bright red light in my back? All right, here we go. PAS sets to 5, of course, because we're not playing. That's just zoom. This is Main Street, Danbury, Connecticut. It's a mix of the countryside, small town, and this place is nice. Look at that. Look at this road. Paved so well. They repaved it so that it can get destroyed again in the snow in the winter time. 2024. Winter 2024. Yeah. The salt and the snow destroys the pavement. So every single year they have to repave. But it's never good. It's good for now, but once it starts to snowing, it's gonna be the same crap again. Woo! It's gonna be the same crap again. But as of now, the road is paved and everything is okay. This is a Danbury Police. Danbury Police Station is such a huge place. Look, that's big and beautiful. Powerful. On my left hand side is a church. This is a condominium of apartments. Yeah, traffic is good. No problems whatsoever. Oh yeah. Everything is going smooth. People are going home. I don't think people are going home from work anyway. People are going home from wherever they went. Wherever they went, they're going back home, or wherever they're going from home. But I know where we're going. We're going home. Haha. Weather is good. Now I'm afraid this guy doesn't see me. See, I have to brake. I have to pull the brakes around here because I can take no chances. So I'm very careful in crossroads, because if we crash, who's taking the worst. So I never take for granted that people see me. Even though I have beams on, I have backlights on and everything, I don't take for granted. I've had comments on my videos saying, what if somebody opens the door of their car? Well, that I'm not expecting. That would take me by surprise, because when you're on the road, when you're in traffic, you don't expect nobody to open the door in a moving car. Why would a person do that? But that can happen, and the person's not crazy. But that hypothesis, there's a small chance somebody can do that. That's a fatality. Other than that, there are other things they can do. They can hit you on the side. They can run over you, and it's dangerous because the bike is slow. So they can run over you. That for sure can happen. And they can be impatient. They can they can turn lanes and in front of you, and that can make you fall. There are lots of things that can happen. Out of these things, having them open the door, that's a fatality if that happens. Opening the door on me. It has happened to me once in a parking lot. I was parking. I was actually parked already next to a car, and the person opened the door on me, and I did fall while parked, but not on the e-bike. I was on a motorcycle many years ago. I did fall, but again, that's a fatality. And we're back home. Just saw a ghost in front of me. And we're home. See, my job and my house are very close, so it's not difficult for me to ride because it's really close. It's gonna be fun when it snows. It's gonna be hella fun. I like the snow. I look forward to the snow because the snow is nice. It's beautiful. Don't you think so? If it doesn't snow where you're watching me, you're not missing out much, because the weather, when it snows, the weather is harsh and it's frigid. And although it's beautiful, you can get very stressed, especially when you have to drive and you have to clean your car before you start driving. Sometimes you have to clean your car before driving. That's my crazy wife. Look at her. Jesus, looks like a dog. An angry dog. Looks like an angry dog. I arrive from work and this is what I get. Angry people at me. That's my child, and he's eating. What are you eating, son?
Pizza.
What kind of pizza is that? Sausage pizza. And watching the movie while I work. See? This is what it's like. Okay, so wish you the best, guys. If you're not subscribed, please like and subscribe. Keep me stoked. And stop recording.